Hello guys, welcome back. It's Butter at 10 or Butter at 13 here. And today we're going to be eating a pizza on camera. Anyways, I gotta go fix my drink real quick. Don't ask the reason why I'm doing this. You'll see it in the title. Let's begin. Just in case, get closer to the table. I'm back, and I had to do something. This pizza is really good, and it has lots of pepperoni on it. Don't ask why I'm doing this. I'm just doing it because I. It's time I tell you why I'm doing it. One, I'm a picky eater. Two, I don't think I'll ever become vegan because me being picky means I can only eat certain foods that I like, and if you don't, if you understand where I'm coming from, you can leave a like and subscribe. I'd be very thankful if you did. Anyway, let's continue. Anyways, I really haven't had a hard time trying to eat certain vegetables and stuff too. The only thing I can do out of a vegetable and fruit is just apples, and that's not enough. Plus, I will never abandon milk. Milk is too good to let go. We're quarter done with the pizza. I know this video may be weird, but don't blame me. Oh, and if you please don't try and force me. We are approaching the end of the pizza. Anyways, all I drink is sometimes a habit. Sometimes I do wish I had some tea right now. This cheese and pepperoni and sauce is pretty good. Well, the sauce I can understand. But some people have problems and, things that they will not be willing to abandon just to become vegan. I mean, now I hear that someone's trying to force people to become vegan. If someone's going to become vegan, let them come and become vegan on their own terms. This is no offense to any other vegans out there, but that vegan teacher is really something. All right, I have to stop the video now. Bye.